Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Asaya here. In today's video I'll be showing you this quick bubu dress that you can use less than 30 minutes to finish. So this bubu dress is very simple. You can also snatch your waist with this bubu. So if you don't want it really big on you, you can also snatch your waist. So this we are going to use another fabric. So this fabric comes in 4 yards. So we are going to take our length. So the video I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this simple bubu dress. So first of all, we are going to mark our length. Our length is 58 inches plus 2 inches allowance. So we are going to cut our fabric 60 inches long. We are going to cut two pieces. So we'll cut the first one and then I'll cut the second one. So this is the second one that we finished cutting. So now we are going to take our shoulder slope. So we are going to go down by 2 inches or 2.5 inches. So that is the shoulder slope for our boo. So we're going to mark your line like so and then you cut it off. So after we are done with the shoulder slope, we are going to mark our neckline 4 inches. 4 inches for the length and 1 inches for the width. So that's when we finish cutting, that will be our back. So we are going to take one of it and then use it for our front. Our front, we are coming down by 4 inches or 5 inches. So this is the front that we've come down by 4 or 5 inches. Now we are going to join our shoulder. With this bubble, we are not cutting any sleeve. It is going to be straight. So we'll join our shoulder and then we'll come and pipe our neckline. So I'll be joining this one. I'll be using front seam to join my shoulder. So I'll join my shoulder and then I'll pipe the neckline. So let's get to the sewing table. Now for our belt, we are going to cut 2 inches, 2 inches for one piece. So we'll cut 2 inches, we'll cut two of the belt, one for each side, and then we'll sew it and turn it up. We are done joining our shoulder and then piping our neckline. Now we are going to hem the sides and then we'll finish our bubu. So I'll put the measurement on the screen how you finish the sides of your bubu. Now you iron your belt and then you're almost done with your bubu. Now we are going to mark from our shoulder to 15.5 inches. From our shoulder 15.5 inches and then we make a mark on that place. And then you come and mark from the middle part 5.5 inches. That is where you're going to place your belt. So together it will be 11 inches. So this is the final look. This is the this is the bubu with no snatching on the waist. So this is how it will look when you snatch with the belt inside your dress. This is how it will look. Please don't forget to give us a like, a comment, and also share to your soulmate. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be able to get an alert and come and watch. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.